Hi. Yeah, it's really me. For the last 9 years, we've grown thousands of plants, harvested thousands of pounds of food, and built an incredible community, all while I've stayed behind the scenes on a faceless channel. But today, on our 9th anniversary, it all changes. And what better way to celebrate my face than giving a lot of free stuff? So today's our annual free seed giveaway. I know a lot of you have participated in it in the past. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to tell you why I'm finally showing my face. And we're aiming big this year. I don't just want to grow a garden, I want to grow a community. My goal, and hey, I know it sounds crazy, January 27th of 2027, we're going to be at 100,000 subscribers. Now that's nearly 10 times what we have today. But here's how we're going to do it. Starting right now, we're building a schedule. On Mondays, pure gardening, normal garden channel type stuff, different topics that may come up, and kind of the vlog style of what's going on in the garden. A lot of what we've already been doing on the channel. On Wednesdays, it is the Best Garden series, where we're looking at the absolute best of everything, from the best tomato plants to grow to the best gardening tools you'll use in your garden. Each Wednesday, we'll highlight the best of something related to gardening. And on Fridays, those are the ones that are really exciting for you. We're going to be reviewing new products for the garden, and we're going to be giving away one of those every single Friday.
Every single Friday, I'm reviewing a product, and then I'm giving it away to someone in the comments. You watch, you comment, you might win. Every single Friday. So how do we hit 100,000? We do it together, and I want to reward the people who are here on day one of this new chapter. I'm calling this the Time Capsule Promise. If you leave a comment on this video within the first 7 days of release, I'm logging your username. If we hit 100,000 subscribers by next January, everyone on that list is entered into a massive secret grand prize drawing. So pause the video, drop a comment below, say I'm in, say happy anniversary, say whatever you want, and lock in your spot for next year. Also, if you're on a mobile, you might see this new button called Hype. To be honest, it's a new feature, but it helps small channels like ours get discovered by new gardeners. If you want to help us hit that 100,000 goal, hitting that Hype button is the best way to do it. But we've also got some help this year. Big thanks to VegoGarden for sponsoring this first Friday's giveaway. That's right, this upcoming Friday, just come back here and we'll be giving away 2 VegoGarden classic raised beds to 1 lucky commenter. But the best place to hang out is our new community on nas.io. Now the 40,000 member Great Big Garden community on Facebook is still going to be there. But nas.io is where we are hosting challenges, deep dive discussions, and where you can also sign up to get my newsletter. All right, let's get you to those seeds. This year, we are giving away sweet banana, sweet pepper seeds, yellow pear heirloom tomato seeds, black beauty eggplant seeds, and pimento sweet pepper seeds. There are 2 ways to get them. The classic way, send a self-addressed stamped envelope to P.O. Box 23442, Overland Park, Kansas 66283. Option 2, if you hate buying stamps and envelopes or you just want to support the channel, join the paid tier of our nas.io community. It's just $5 a month for the basic tier. If you join, you don't need to mail me anything. I will automatically ship the seeds to your door if you give me your address. Plus you get free enrollment in our basic garden challenges, and you lock in that $5 rate forever before the price goes up. So, envelope or nas.io, the choice is yours. I'm so excited to show you what we have planned for Monday. Face reveal done. New era started. Let's grow something great. Don't forget to comment to get on that time capsule list, and I look forward to growing with you.